Good morning, everyone. And it is morning time, 10:15 a.m. I am at my nearby Walmart. Today is the start of 3-day snowstorm. Snowstorm is very rare in Texas. It happens always in north of South America. That part is bordering Canada and all, like Chicago, New York, Iowa. Those states, they are all icy always in winter time, but not Houston or Florida or the south states. But this year we have a snowstorm warning from today morning, and you won't believe, from morning 4 o'clock, those who are going to work, they have a special 3 to 4 day special assignment. They will not be letting go home after their today's schedule. Most of them, some are volunteering, some are emergency mandatory. Rider team, they are called ride team. So they won't be coming back to home tonight or tomorrow or maybe Monday. So the rain has started early in the morning, This rain means the temperature will drop dramatically, subsequently to minus to 0, like 32 degree Fahrenheit is almost considered as 0 degree of our centigrade. So right now it is 49 degree Fahrenheit. So another drop of 15 degree will be bringing to an icy situation. So these roads will be covered with little ice, maybe 1/4 inch or maybe half inch, something like that. Tomorrow it will be completely ice, so there won't be any traffic much on the roads. Schools are closed for Mondays and Tuesdays. Some schools are closed for Tuesdays also. So even if it is January, we have a history of ice falling in February, March also. Whereas already summer starting at some areas of this planet. Roads are wet. Today is Saturday, so naturally there won't be much office commute. Hello, Annadi. Hello. Ammole പറഞ്ഞു മോളെ. squirrel is jumping.